Hi guys, my name is Alessia and on this channel we discuss tips and tricks on how to find foreign girls, European, American, Russian and Australian. It doesn't matter who you are looking for, you'll definitely succeed and I will help you. Today I'll tell you about the things and habits that will increase your self-confidence. You will definitely find useful advice to use. If you're interested in this topic, support my vlog, hit like, hit the bell and subscribe. So let's go! The first point of the list of things increasing your self-esteem is your looks. Appearance is the first thing girls notice about you. Your posture, a raised chin, a smile, clothes, all this is your image. A business card, a weapon that shouldn't let you down. All of these things are really good at raising self-confidence. You know that you can charm a girl with your image, so it must be really good. After all, if you see that the shirt doesn't match your jeans or you look sloppy, your self-confidence will definitely lower. Keep your back straight. Don't hump. Jumping rope will help improve your posture. In general, my advice is the following. Be positive, embrace the world, and you'll see the results soon. Point number 2 of my unique top. Remember your strength. Make a list of your strengths and read it when you lose confidence or want to criticize yourself. It doesn't have to be outstanding things or achievements. You can write down qualities like, I'm accurate, I run in the morning, I'm punctual. This will help you bear in mind that you have something to be proud of. After another success or achievement, don't forget to add it into your list. You'll notice how the list of your strengths becomes longer. In the third point, I share the following tricks. Visualize. Very often guys think about how they screw everything up, as if preparing for a failure. Do the opposite. Imagine how you confidently behave in a particular situation you are worried about. Pay attention to every detail. This method will help you to think through a plan of actions, and it works. You'll gradually learn to behave in real life the same way as in your imagination. We move on to the fourth point of my spaced up. Deal with stress. Remember that insecure people are more nervous. Guys who remain calm in a stressful situation are worth gold for girls. Become this treasure, please. Make it a rule to do relaxation practice every day. For example, breathing techniques. You'll see the results quickly. And if you're already stressed and need to calm down, just take 3 deep breaths. This simple method always helps me. In the 5th point, I remind you, do what you love. It can be sport or any other activity, physical or mental. Do you have your hobby? Then go for it. A good way to increase your self-esteem is to find something that you can succeed in and to actually succeed in it. First of all, it's an easy way for new achievements. Secondly, you may tell the girl about your hobby and maybe even introduce it to her. Even if she doesn't share your hobbies, she'll definitely be proud of you. How did you like the tips? I've tried some of them myself and they really work. What else helps you to deal with your low self-confidence? Write in the comments. And if you want to know how to meet more girls or get tips that really work, hit like, bell, subscribe to my channel because there are many interesting things for you. I promise you won't get bored. Until next time. Bye bye!